zero for six. I will explain the small by chapter the title the attitude of Islam toward skills and philosophy. From author Dr. Hamid Hasan Rafi Abadi, Dr. Dan and Dr. Adil Amin. Cap. Publisher 2003. From GT New Delhi. Chapter 1. Biography Ibnu Rus. Ibnu Rus Afaris Abu Walid Muhammad Ibnu Hamid was born in 520 in Cordova, Spain, where his family had long held important position. His grandfather was Ghazi ul-Busad from Alcácer, Andalusia, under the Almoravids. Ibn Rus was a jurist of the first degree, but they applied him life primarily to medicine and philosophy. Chemistry as a skill is doubly an invention of Muslim. Abu Musdabir Geber, the Christian writer, is the true father of modern chemistry. Chapter 2. Conflict and Hamari Ghazali influence on Ibn Tufayli is very real, especially in his epistemological thinking. While this influence can be found in almost all aspects of Ibn Rushd's philosophy, is not called philosophy because in an attempt to destroy philosophy, another philosophy emerges. We will not discuss metaphysical or issues in this context. The views of this philosophy seem contradictory. Mysticism, positivation, and validity of science, miracles, and caution are very prominent topics in this regard. Looks very real issues such as devil to competition between religion and philosophy. In this areas can be discussed in this religions. The philosophers who have no religions are there in number. This immortality of the world, the denial of goods, knowledge of speculative things, and the reconstruction of the body is inability to import true knowledge of goods. Al-Ghazali lists Ibn Rushd gave an ultimately negative assessment of Kalam. This when the skepticism disagrees about knowledge being eternal and noble because it is connected with the text credit be it. It is therefore his duty for the sake of truth and to good and to skepticism to settle subsistion. Skepticism makes the following necessary: if all these things are in the knowledge of Allah, the purest and purest before all existence, that in their state of existence they are different in Allah knowledge them before they existed, then eternal knowledge coding can be connected and that when they pass from next al attempt to access additional knowledge arises Imam Zaidun but is cannot be acquired mustahil with internal knowledge if on the other hand we say that their knowledge is condition similar. This condition also manifests more successfully in the human state. I mean that is knowledge of non-action. This depends on the resolution of existence takdir al-wujud, where his knowledge of those things when they are found to exist depends on existence itself. Appendix 2. In his first book, The Decisive Treatise, Ibn Rushd set out the appropriate methodology for the solution of the problem of the relationship between religion, Sharia, and philosophy hikmah, and more specifically the way in which philosophical or logical method of reasoning can be used in religious controversies or applied to the interpretation of text. Biblical text democratization Burhan, which is the big hash from of logical deduction in accordance with the explicit or implicit provision of the scriptures Sharia. The answer is that lectors would draft or infer his legal decision from sacred text with the aid of interpretation. The philosopher is perfectly justified in using interpretation in his attempt to drive by religion deduction the nature of reality and the way in which it leads to the knowledge of the creator. That defines interpretation as the act of eliminating the real connotation of truth, the Bible, from their figurative connotation without violating the rules of the Arabic language. However, in some noted that not all text of the Holy Scriptures is the Quran. Admit interpretation only the part which the Quran itself has described as because mutashabihat. Relevansinya isu terkini yang menyangkut keafi adalah modern life which is marked by advances in science and technology is recognized as having provided convenience for human life in various ways, but along with that advances in science and technology has caused various negative impacts in the form of compilation I live that justifies all means, making helpless that something is missing in him, namely the grip on belief that comes from universal and absolute values that comfort is character, namely good in the midst of a full life with this dynamic and competition. He looked alone, lifeless, and frail. In such a situation, Hamas need religious. This is one of the reasons people return to religion. That all my explanation. If there is something wrong, I'm sorry. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.